In XR, we are seeing, I think, a real move towards high quality content. So there's a lot of experiential stuff historically on, in AR, in VR, in all the Rs, and they're usually short form, interesting experiences, but they don't keep people in the headset or on their phone for more than 3 to 4 minutes at a time often, and we're seeing a real hunger for high quality, longer form content. And I think that's manifesting itself in a lot of licensed titles. So use of IP, you look at things like, Vader Immortal or the recent Ghostbusters, announcements and releases. And I think we're going to see a lot more big names in XR exploring the space. I am looking to reconnect with the development community after, I think we all know it's been an interesting few years since, lockdowns in England and all those kind of things, where events have had to go online, go very, socially distanced for good reason. And it's just really nice to be able to meet people in the same space as us again, share our challenges, share our learnings, and get back to where we were before, which is building the biggest games industry powerhouse in the world. I think we are seeing a lot of larger companies seeing the value of the Northern Powerhouse in the north of England. I'm based in Liverpool, which was historically, a Sony stronghold. Recently, we've seen companies like Avalanche, Climax, we've got Ripstone, we've got Lucid, we've got Wushu, we've got Universally Speaking, are based out of Liverpool now. The North is seeing these big names coming in, creating jobs, creating revenue, which is obviously an opportunity for smaller devs to build in their wake and to show them the way as well. And yeah, it's a relatively affordable place. I know Liverpool city government is doing everything they can to support new up and coming talent. There's a new initiative just launched to get game developers in the region to sign a pledge to support, the local schools, colleges, universities, apprenticeship schemes. We're pushing, I think, to be the place you want to make your video game. It's really important to know that you're not alone. It's important to be able to sit on a stage in front of a lot of people who might be worried about, where's my company going to go? Am I doing the right thing? Will I be able to fund my game? Will anyone buy my game? And to be able to sit there and go, yes, and here's what I've learned and how you can do that too, or here's how I messed up, which is also true, and essentially just lift each other up. I think that's the key thing for events like this specifically. Games funding conferences in general can become very dry, very focused on numbers, very focused on recoup clauses and angel investors, and those things are really important, but it's equally important that we create a community who grows together as opposed to Wall Street scraps in the street for every penny going. Might regret saying that.
Awesome. That's great. Thank
Perfect.
you. Cheers.